Now let's moving on to another panel which is very important. It's teacher panel. Everyone has the same login section as you can see, and the teacher we have given a registration number with our ID is 102, and the password has been mentioned, and just simply click on the login and it will automatically assign the role and redirect it to a teacher panel where authorization has been given to the teacher that she or he can do a respective work which has been declared on the task, as you can see on the left hand side of the screen right now. And front, as you can see, it's a profile of the teacher. As you can see, all the description with the photo has been mentioned here. And if teacher can also change his profile photo and edit his records, but this system is also integrated with the security that teachers also need to approve their telephone number and address and email ID after passing through the admin. After he approves the thing, only then it is visible here. So the checkbox will be showing here if the admin doesn't approve the thing on the red cross. And update your profile section here is mentioned where teacher can see and update his profile accordingly. And on the right side of the screen, as you can see, the recent news and event option has been also mentioned where teacher can also see the notices or any kind of declaration as published by the school, so she can see. And on the top you can see there is an option of profile, change password and log out. Everything has the same. And on the again, as you can move on the home screen, there is a home screen tab of the teacher has been mentioned, and here is another option which is called student complaint. So this class teacher can only see the respective complaint of their students of the class only. As you can see, only 2 complaints we have mentioned here. Not all the complaints she can see, only she can see the complaint of their respective students which are in which the class teacher of she is. And another option is that here we have mentioned search student. The teacher can simply search a student and see his profile if she want, with the profile and everything. She cannot edit the thing, she can just simply see the record. And this is a mobile responsive thing. It can simply open on tab and iPhone or Android or any devices. It will simply work. And another option is digital library. As you can already see that student has given the digital library. Teachers can also see this digital library and videos if they want to learn something from online and if they find anything interesting. And as you can see that, and if anyone likes the video or thing, he or she can reply and gives a thumbs up or thumb down if they don't like anything about it. As you can see, the comments has been mentioned here by the student on the time and date. Everything has been mentioned, so they can simply comment everything. Just you might have seen on the YouTube is simply the channel we have made for our company. The tons of videos are already mentioned. Another option, as you can see here, is ebooks. As a student, as you have seen, so this teachers can also download and read the books online as a student. And the same search filter is also given on the taskbar here, as you can see, and simply search here and to related to anything he can search. So let me show you some example like ASP I've just set, and all the file related to ASP has been shown, and the brew washer is also there. So these are the things teachers can do. And now let's move on to the another panel of this software in the next video. I just want to show you a manual attendance system which is in the hand of teacher. If she want to do is another login we have made for the attendance system apart from the teacher portal. As you can see, the attendance login on the top, and you simply type the class here. The class teacher have to type his name of the class, it's like 7th A, and the password she has been provided, and just simply click on the login. It will be redirected and then notice a pop-up menu is that are you ready to take the attendance? Click OK. So there is a bunch of complete list here. You can see, as you can see, the complete list of the students here mentioned that how many students are there in a class with the registration number, name, and three options are there: present, absent, and leave. If the someone is on the leave, you just put a remark that for which reason he or she is absent and just click on the submit. But before doing that, you need to choose the date manually, and suppose I choose 31st of today and just I put a leave and I type anything simply, and we just need to submit the things. Just press enter and the data will automatically be submitted, as I have shown you the students where the attendance is coming. And here such students, teachers can also see that this search is not like the old search where teacher can see the profile. Here the teacher can see the attendance of their particular student respectively if she want. Just I can just search 202 with the registration number. As you can see, the name has popped up Raju, and just click on the attendance button, and all the attendance with the date and time and section and status has been mentioned. As you can see, I have just put in on the leave and the vacation as I have just mentioned here, and on the paging is also mentioned that she or he can see the later entries also. There is another option is mentioned in all attendance system. Teacher, if the teacher has put some wrong attendance into the students, he or she can check the old attendance of the students. Suppose I have chosen today's month, I have just put the name on the leave, so it will just come up here simply, and there is an option. If she want to delete it, she can delete. If she want to add it, she can just simply click on the edit and edit the thing and update it. And it will just update the thing right away. Everything is made on the update panel, so things won't be lagged so much. It will be updated as depending upon your speed. Another option is teacher. Here we have mentioned for the teacher is faculty. Faculty, what does that? Teachers which have login can see the sections of their respective teachers and fellow colleagues with the name and with the registration number, so that if they want to chat or if they want to communicate with them, it is easy to find her with the name and with the registration number or with the section. So this is pretty much it, and as you can see on the top, name is already showing that name of the welcome KD is a random name of the teacher which is showing on the top. So now let's moving on to the another panel which is staff, where all the registration and everything happens in the next video. Thank you.